we're here in Sinauna Cafe Restaurant. Their bestseller here is seafoods, paluto. They also have all-day breakfast na mga silog. They have free brewed coffee, pang party gathering, may mini kubos. And also they have ice cream as dessert. They have cakes and pastries, pasalubong as well. Here we have the menu, different types. They have soups. They have seafood.
Kakain tayo ng seafood. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Sinauna. Yung Sinauna nakita lang natin sa TikTok. Although lagi na natin to nadadaan. Dahil kine-crave mo yung Cajun seafood. Wala namang good for 2 lang. Good for 5. Sige, try muna natin. Reasonable naman yung price. So, ang in-order natin ay calamari at shrimp in Cajun sauce. Tikman natin mamaya. Maganda dito may free coffee. Wow! So, hintayin natin yung order natin. Ay, mo kasap naman. Yay!
Okay lang. Mas masabi na dun sa yung yumo-yumo. Yung dede yumo-yumo. Rate. Okay naman. Pero hindi na ata ako babalik.
Oh!